Welcome to my channel. I am Moody Chef Sargun and today I will make caramel makhana without sugar. For more quick and delicious recipes, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. So let's get started. So first, in a pan, put butter and then add fox nuts or makhana and roast them for 3 to 4 minutes. Keep the roasted makhana aside and in the same pan add butter again and let it melt. Now add granulated jaggery and stir it. You can also use jaggery. After a few minutes, the granulated jaggery will start to melt. You just have to keep stirring it. If the mixture gets too hard to stir, add some butter and stir again. After the granulated jaggery has caramelized and it is smooth, add the makhana. Properly coat the makhana with the mixture. Once it is coated, put it in a plate and keep it aside for 1 minute. Now separate the makhana from each other. Be careful, it will be hot. Let it cool for 10 to 15 minutes. After it has cooled down, it will be super crispy and delicious. Voila! Caramel makhana without sugar is ready. If you like this video, then subscribe to my channel and share with all your friends and family. For more such delicious recipes, keep watching Moody Chef Sargun.